Hi GreenStalk gardeners! Today I'm going to be talking to you about our 2 GreenStalk lids. These are great for all sizes of our vertical planters, and you are probably familiar with our spring lid. This has been around for about 2 years now. We introduced this back in 2023, and this is our brand new garden lid. So stay tuned for more info. And the spring lid you can just pop right on top of the top water reservoir. If you are using the GreenStalk watering system, this is a perfect addition for your planter. It helps keep debris out. It has this port right here where your spout will connect and water your GreenStalk automatically. All right, and this is the GreenStalk garden lid. This is brand new and it's really easy to attach to your vertical planter. It works with all sizes of GreenStalks. And we love it because it has the option of a little door at the top for watering, or you can keep it closed for keeping debris out, for keeping animals out, critters, things like that. And it has an adorable bee attachment. It comes with all colors. The leaf is evergreen in all of the color options. And it's a really easy sliding door. You can do it with one hand. You can easily water it and then keep it closed so your watering system stays clean. The garden lid is a product that we really wanted to take our time with to get right. We spent a lot of time trying to figure out how exactly to do the sliding door option, kind of if we would do a door, if there would be different components to it, but ultimately we landed on the leaf. And we got a lot of samples back on the leaf fit and the way that it would slide across. We love the way that it turned out. It's not only adorable, but it's super functional for your planter. Ultimately, we hope one of these lids will be a perfect fit for your planter and your garden and your lifestyle. If you have any questions or you need a product recommendation, we are always happy to help. Our email address is support@greenstalkgarden.com. Happy gardening!